Hi there. This week's in-person lab is going to be on gelatinization, and we are going to make some chicken Alfredo. So there is a chart here, food ingredients that we use to thicken, as well as your slide deck. So if you open up your slide deck, and it'll give you directions on the ingredients that you need for today's lab and how to do that. Just make sure when you're cooking your chicken, since it's raw, you can use whatever you have for butter would work just fine in the frying pan until it's no longer pink, and then you're going to make your sauce. So just make sure you cook that chicken properly, and then you're going to define what gelatinization is. You can look that up. Give you some definitions as to what that is, and then you can go to this website here on the next slide, and it'll talk about how the flour thickened your cheese sauce today, and I would like for you to describe that, including the steps and how it happened below here, please. And then that PDF handout that was attached here that you'll get in a copy of as well. Talks about how eggs are used to thicken egg custard, potatoes for soup, and sugar for syrup. So please go through and describe how that happens for each one of those food items. And then enjoy your short week and have a fantastic break.